Now, eyeglasses have always been there to add better style to your fashion. Indeed, flaunting a good pair of eyeglasses was one classic way to feel good. With passing time, the eyeglasses have evolved more and more. The usage has become so popular that now you can hear songs like Tenu Kala Chashma Jachta Hai in every single party. If you are too crazy about eyewears, then you need to check out these 5 likely trends of 2023. 5 eyewear trends of 2023. Now, post the pandemic, people have shifted towards expressing them fully. This is the reason many people are taking the maximalism route. The best quality of pastel eyeglasses is that they are super catchy and bright. What works even more is selecting the color of the glasses in contrast to the frame color. These eyeglasses are designed such that they are a perfect accessory to any outfit. They are lightweight and available in attractive colors, which makes them a clear winner. A pair of uniquely designed eyeglasses with a beautiful geometric pattern is hugely popular among men. They are mostly irregular, odd shapes or sometimes funky polygon shapes. The shapes include pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon sunglasses. Its appealing charm and perfect edges are what makes them a pick perfect for the ones with soft features. These glasses can be worn in official meetings or at a family gathering during festivals. Its smart and decent look is just as perfect for every occasion. Now, round frames are the classic ones that look elegant on both men and women. However, it is more popular among women. Its popularity has forced many women to ditch contact lenses. These glasses are an outcome of a retro upbeat, retro-infused look. The subtle, soft and circular look acts like a facial enhancer. A square frame suits a round face, just as round frames add softness and elegance to a squarer face. These frames aces in terms of looks in every occasion or everyday wear. Now, as the name suggests, these frames give the impression of cat eyes. These quirky designs are one of the timeless and trendy eyeglasses that suit most faces regardless of the shape. If you're looking for frames that offer timeless style and sophisticated flair, then these eyeglasses are perfect. Whether you're looking for fun and retro or modern and elegant, cat eyes are sure to leave you feeling impressed. Now, brow line glasses were widely popular during the 50s. However, it is after the series Mad Men that these glasses became hugely popular. They are a style of eyeglass frames where the bold upper part holding the lenses resembles eyebrows framing the eyes. Mostly popular among men, these glasses are meant for giving a perfect somber look. Its widely strong and stark brow line glasses are to be picked for every formal occasion. The eyeglasses are best for office look, especially for every corporate meeting. Now, with these super popular eyewears, you can definitely pump up your style game in 2023.